Hello friends, welcome to your channel. In this video, we will cover HTML anchor and image tags. HTML anchor tag defines a hyperlink. Hyperlink is an icon, graphic or text that links to another file or object. To embed an image in an HTML page, we use the image tag. In Sublime Text Editor, first we will create a new HTML file. We will click on File, then New File. To save the file, we will click on File, Save. File name anchor and images.html. In the HTML file, we will type less than symbol than HTML, and on suggestion display, we will press Enter key in the keyboard. This will generate the boilerplate code of an HTML file. To open the file in the browser, we will go to the location where we have saved the HTML file. We will right click in the HTML file, then open with Google Chrome. You could select any other browser also. For anchor, we need to use a tag, opening and closing. In anchor tag href attribute, we give the link of other file, object or page. We have created 3 anchor tags for opening Flipkart, Myntra and Amazon websites. In the href attribute of the anchor tag, we are pasting the corresponding website links of Flipkart, Myntra and Amazon, and we are using another attribute of the anchor tag target. Target value we are using underscore blank. That means on clicking the anchor text, the link will open in a new tab of the browser. After refreshing the page, if we click on the anchor text, it will open the links in a new tab of the browser. To embed an image in an HTML page, we use the image tag. I have 2 images in the folder where I have saved the HTML files. In the image tag src attribute, we need to give the path of the image. We are using another image tag attribute alt, that means alternate. Alternate text will be displayed if image could not be loaded for some error. On refreshing the page, we could see the image. Thank you for watching this video. I keep uploading videos like this regularly. To keep watching my videos, please subscribe to the channel and like and comment in the video.